this spaghetti bolognese used to be eaten by the peasants of the old times, the farmers. The bolognese is looking amazing and I am going to eat this right away now. So this dish is really rich in vitamins and proteins and serves as the best brunch recipe ever. So you can always go for it. Hello everyone, I am watering my plants and I've woken up a little late today. So I decided to make some brunch for myself, but something really healthy but even exotic too. I don't want to eat any normal stuff today. It's a beautiful bright day and I am all set to make my pasta or spaghetti bolognese, and it is a very protein rich dish and I really love to eat it, and it's very healthy too. So I have kept a pot of water. I'll let it boil and I'll put 2 teaspoons of salt, some oil, and I have my spaghetti over here. So what I'll do is I'll remove some spaghetti and I'll add it into my pot like this. So we shouldn't break the spaghetti ever. It should be boiled on a whole like this, and slowly we should push it into the water and let it completely boil. So this is the only way to make the spaghetti like this. If you are watching this video and have not subscribed to me, please subscribe immediately. So I have added some butter into my pan over here on which I am going to make the sauce. So I'll just put some olive oil to it. Now to this I'll add some chopped garlic. So garlic is the main ingredient for us, so we'll just put some chopped garlic into it and we'll let it become a little brown. Pasta bolognese is a rustic and vegetarian dish from Italy. So spaghetti is used in this. So we can also call it spaghetti bolognese, and lentils are used in this, whichever lentil you have in your home. It is also cooked really faster, than in many other dishes. So go for this dish, make this, try this at home, and you'll know how good it is. It should, the fragrance of the garlic should start emitting. Now to this we'll add some chopped onions. So everything should be finely chopped, all the vegetables. So this dish used to be eaten by the peasants, and it's a really rustic dish and it's full of proteins and vitamins, very good for health. So that's why it should be eaten, and the best dish for a brunch. So now I have some chopped carrots. I'll just add them and I'll let it fry very well. Some chopped mushrooms. So you can add any mushroom which you have at home. Now we'll season it. We'll put some salt. We have some oregano. We'll put that. I have made I've blanched 2 tomatoes and I've made a puree out of it. So you can add this. If you like it tomato-ish, you can add even more tomatoes after pureeing it. In the meantime, let's take a look at our spaghetti. We should just push it inside like this and let it cook really properly, and it should all go inside and become really soft. So we'll cook it al dente, that is neither too hard nor too soft. It should not become too soft, remember that. So it should be just right. We have to add this water into that and no other water into our whenever you cook pasta, always remember you have to add this water only into your sauce. Now our carrots and mushrooms as well as onions and garlic has been almost cooked. Now at this stage what I'll do is I'll add some tomato paste, which is a ready-made paste. So this also to add a little bit more tanginess, you have to add this tomato paste, and it really tastes wonderful. At this stage I will add my lentils. So I have some black-eyed pea which is boiled. I have already boiled it with some salt, and I'll add this and let all of this cook together very well. Now I'll add a ladle of the pasta, the spaghetti water starch into my sauce and I'll let it cook for some more time. Now all the lentils and all the vegetables have been blended and cooked together in the sauce. Now what I'll do is very quickly I'll add all the pasta, the spaghetti into my pan, and I'll mix all of this together really well. Isn't this looking super yummy? Even the basil sauce spaghetti I like a lot. So yes, our pasta has been cooked. So our spaghetti bolognese is ready. We can start plating it. We'll switch off the stove. So now what we'll do, we'll take a roll of this like that, the spaghetti. We'll take it all like this and we'll put it very gently onto our plate, and we'll take some of our amazing lentils and we'll put it all over it like this. We'll keep a basil leaf on the top like this for some decoration, as well as it gives a really good taste to the dish. And now we have some Parmigiano cheese, so we'll just grate it over the top like that. We'll add some olive oil, and our spaghetti bolognese is ready to eat. Just take a look, it's looking so amazing. The bolognese is looking amazing and I'm going to eat this right away now.
Hey, hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up quickly. Subscribe to my channel and stay connected. Share with your family and friends. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Until next time, keep it simple, Simply City.